Okay, Carol Lundy here. How are you all? I'm going to, as promised, show you how to make 2 bows from one, or perhaps 3 or 4 bows from one. Now, the first thing you need to do is to save your design under a new name, because if you accidentally hit the save button after you've played around with this one, you'll actually change your original design and you'll lose your original design. So what we need to do is go File, Save As, and we'll give this one a new name. We'll call this what will I call it? Bow Changed. I've got lots of bows in here, so I just have to be careful what I call it. So Bow Changed, and save it. And you'll notice up here, if I just move my logo out of the way, that the new name is now Bow Changed. So any saves you do will be saved under that name, which means you still have your original bow design safe and sound. Now the next thing you need to do is load the bow that you've digitized into your software and open up your film strip, which is this icon here, to make sure you've got it showing down the side here. Now there's 2 views for film strip, remember. This one is the blocks of colour in the order they sew, and you can also choose to have the individual objects. So we can choose our individual objects. What we're going to do is choose the bits we don't want, so that we can leave the bow we do want. And we can either choose them from over here, select each piece and delete it, the bits we don't want, or we can select them here, whichever is easiest. Sometimes you can't quite get the piece you want here, so it's easier to go over here to your film strip. So I've deleted the back part of the bow here, and I probably wouldn't want all these ribbons hanging down here either, so let's delete those. Just select it and hit your delete key, and there we have a single little bow like that. We could also undo, choose to have these ones deleted, and we've got a nice long hanging bow. Now I'm just going to undo again. Delete these ones, and have our single bow again. Now if we edit select all and group, so that we don't have any accidents, group the whole design together as one and double click on it, we can actually skew the bow as well. Oops, skew it a little bit more to make it a bit more obvious. So if you wanted a bow that was not symmetrical, you could do that. Let's undo that. So we're back to where we were and select it again. And on our normal resize, if we normally just resize without holding any buttons down, it will just resize in proportion. That is, the width and height will remain the same. But if we want to, we can also hold down our control key and we can adjust just the width and the height separately, so we can get a totally different shaped bow as well. So there's lots of options for you to play around with. I hope you have fun doing that. In the next video I'm going to show you how to put the bow onto a booty pattern. That is, after you've scanned your pattern into your computer, you can actually load it into the software and position your bow perfectly on the pattern, so that it will sew out exactly where you want it. Thank you for watching. If you like the videos, once again, subscribe, comment or rate them. Thank you very much.